Hey guys, so in today's video I'm basically going to be showing you how I got this look. Young Blood Mineral Cosmetics was kind enough to send me a package on their products and see how they work out for me, and I'm absolutely loving the way that it came out. They're basically a clean luxury brand. They sell complexion products, makeup products, and also skincare products. They're not drugstore priced, but they're not super expensive that it's like unattainable. Like for instance, the gloss that I'm wearing right now is $23. The highlighters are $43. The primer's $32. The brushes are a little bit expensive, more like It Cosmetics, if you know that brand type pricing. It's $45. I got an illuminator, it's about $43. It's in like that price range. Disclaimer, I did not buy any of these products. They were kind enough to send this to me, and I'm just giving my honest review. Today is the first day that I like unpackaged everything and decided to dig in, and I created this. I think it's a cute look. What do you think? Because it's crazy. The products they sent me were amazing. Everything was amazing. Not one flaw. Not one. So if you want to see how I got this look, just continue watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, reshare, repost, and also follow me on Instagram so that you can see and, you know, kind of keep updated with me if you'd like. So again, thank you guys for watching, and let's get on to the video. So first I'm gonna take, actually I'm gonna use two of them. Youngblood Illuminator with Diamond Powder in the center of my face. CC Perfecting Primer in Medium Tan on like the outside. And we'll see how that works. I'm gonna take the diamond one. It smells good. It doesn't have a crazy scent, but it smells fresh. I'm gonna take Medium Tan. This also feels pretty nice. That's gonna cover anything, but it's definitely, it feels good. It's not super sticky, but it doesn't feel like silicone. It's like that in between. So now I'm gonna take the Youngblood Mineral Eyeshadow Quad in Sweet Talk, and I'm gonna use this on my eyes. The only thing, I don't think that this is a deep enough crease color for me, so I'm going to use one of their bronzers. This is the Defining Bronzer in Caliente, and I'm gonna run this in my crease first. So this bronzer already really applies smoothly and evenly. It's not patchy at all. It's also not too red, not too brown. Now I'm gonna go in with Hot Stuff, this color right here, and I'm gonna kind of smooth out. I definitely see this being like a go-to travel palette. Next, I'm gonna take this color right here, XOXO, and put it on the outer corner of my eye. This is really pretty. And I'm gonna kind of put it in my crease also. And now I'm gonna go back in and blend both of the colors. I don't want it to be too harsh. Next, I'm gonna take this color in Wink. It's a really pretty pearl. They have a lot of pigment. It's really nice. Pigment is really pretty. That is cute. Let me blend the two colors together right here. I don't want a harsh line. This doesn't come with the black. I'm gonna just take a look at one of the darker bronzers, and I'm gonna run this on my lash line. It's coming together nicely. So now I'm going to curl my lashes, add some lashes. So I just applied my foundation and concealer. I'm now going to use one of their brushes. This is the YB5. And I'm not sure if I want to use this to like contour or set under my eyes. Honestly, I think I'm going to do it to set under my eyes. So I'm going to go in with my Laura, and I like to do a thin layer first, then go in and bake if I have to. I'm gonna blend this out. This like fits perfectly. Blend this all out. This is gonna be my new thing because I already use this type of a brush to set it. To set it a little more, a little heavier. Just take. So I've had my lashes on. I used Lily Lashes today in London. I've set my under eye. Next, I'm gonna go in with the bronzers. So they sent me 3 different bronzers. They sent me Caliente, which is what I used in my crease. Soleil, which is a little lighter. It's honestly my skin tone. And then I got Truffle, which was the deepest. Such a beautiful color. And I used it on my... So I think I'm gonna go in with Caliente, and I'm gonna, cause it's warm, it's like, you know, it's what I go for. And I'm gonna take the YB2 brush. It's pretty big, but it's tapered at the top, so hopefully I can get like the definition that I'm looking for. This brush is actually really nice. It like does the blending for me, if that makes sense. The only thing is I'm not pressing hard on my brush because then it's gonna displace all the powder. So I'm literally just using the top of the brush and letting the brush do the work for me. And I'm really loving this blush. Bronzer. The brush is already blending everything out. I'm obsessed. Like, can we talk about how blended I am on my nose? I don't really contour my nose. I really just like run underneath and with the leftover. I like new favorite bronzer. YB5 to set under eye. So now I'm gonna like take everything off. We're gonna finish the eye. I'm gonna cover the band with Truffle, the darkest one. Use the YB12 brush. I'm gonna go in with the YB8, which is a crease brush, and I'm just gonna go in with hot stuff and kind of just blend it together. I'm taking the B9 brush. You can use this as a lid packer. I'm gonna try use it under my eyes. So first I'm gonna start with hot stuff again. And then I'm gonna go in with XOXO right here and go in the outer corner first and bring it in halfway. So we have our blush. Next, they sent me 3 highlighters. I have the swatches. I made the swatches. Fiesta, Quartz, and Aurora. I'm gonna use Aurora. Yes. Okay, this one. It has a little pink in it, champagne. I kind of want to use this brush as well. Oh, we're gonna try it. Ooh. Okay, these brushes blend everything out for you. 400 here. I literally have to do my work. I'm gonna go on this side. Oh, the glow though. I'm gonna take the same and I'm gonna go on my brow bone. And then I'm gonna take the lightest one, which is Quartz, and I'm gonna do this in my inner corner of the day. Oh. Loving. I'm just gonna finish my lips real quick and set my face, finish up, and I'll be right back. Three glosses that they sent, and I think I want to use Nebula. Oh, that is so pretty. I'm only doing it in the center because this is like very reflective. My eyes or anything. Guys, I need to do something with this hair. BRB. You guys can give it a try if you want to try, or gift it to someone if you know they love makeup or something. Thank you guys for watching. This is the final look. My ultimate fave was the brush. It comes in a kit. It's so fluffy. I love brushes, you guys. I love brushes. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I just want to give a special thanks to Youngblood Cosmetics for sending me the products, and please let me know what your favorite product was, and if you would buy one, which would it be? I'm just curious, okay? Hope you guys have a nice day. Thank you for watching.